Using our Pro Scene feature gives you so much flexibility in how you customize your content, but one highly asked question is, how do I crop my camera in Evmux? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do just that utilizing our Pro Scene tool. So let's go ahead and jump into my Evmux account so you can see how easy this really is. So once you're logged into your Evmux account, you want to make sure you're inside the live stream editor. Then once you're in here, you want to make sure you're on the Pro Scenes, as that's going to be the only way you're going to be able to go ahead and modify and crop your camera. So what you want to do is you want to go either select the scene that already has your camera inputted, or we can go ahead and add a new scene so you can modify this camera. So you select add scene, you're then going to go ahead and select empty scene, you're going to select create, and that's going to go ahead and create a new scene for us and give us a clean canvas. Now what we want to do is we want to select add new layer. We're then going to go scroll down to where it says speaker, and you want to make sure you're under editors to be able to get your own personal camera. But if you have other speakers or people that you want to go ahead and add to the scene, you can follow the same steps here. So I'm going to find myself on the editor, I'm going to select add, and you're going to see here that now I'm added to the layer. Now what I want to do to be able to go ahead and customize this, now of course you can go ahead and resize this as you like by just grabbing one of the dots in one of the corners to be able to size it. If you click on this camera and you go to style and effect, you can go ahead and round the corners if you like, and then be able to size it. So this is another way for you to be able to modify the camera. You can then go ahead and undo that. You can come to dimensions, and now you have two options here to be able to go ahead and modify the camera. So you can go ahead and stretch it. This is going to go ahead and allow you to be able to then size it and crop it automatically to any size that you want. It's more of a free-form cropping, allowing you to be able to go ahead and create any kind of size or shape that you may want naturally without having to be restricted. So to accomplish that, again, you want to select stretch to canvas, and when you do that, it free-forms the camera for you to be able to adjust it as you like. But if you wanted to go ahead and just crop it, you can go ahead and select the crop feature, and then you can go ahead and just simply drag and crop what you would like to go ahead and crop. So you select crop, and then you grab one of the corners, and now I can crop any aspect of the camera that I like, allowing me to be able to then create these scenes and have my camera position and modify how I see fit. And now that your camera is perfect, if you want to learn how to set up a green screen inside of Evmux, check out this video where I walk you step by step on getting one set up in less than 5 minutes. I'll see you guys in the next video.